What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip, that's right, guys. And back, yes, we were talking about Lucid. Got some real exciting news, and I got a little extra something for you that you might have possibly saw from the thumbnail. But real quick, guys, just want to let this beautiful footage here of the interior of the Lucid Motor Air just roll through as we talk about this. The Phase 2 expansion plan has been accepted by Casa Grande, Arizona. Local government, guys, that is so exciting. The expansion plans are on track, meaning the 800,000 cars a year goal, which will be in reach upon completion. That is huge news, guys. So getting that factory done is going to be amazing. Just huge stuff. And this interior is just so amazing. And the reason I do want to bring this up, little story here. Just yesterday, me and my wife and brother-in-law here was down at the local mall, about 90 minutes from where I live at. And lo and behold, in this mall, there is a Tesla store. And there is a Tesla car in there. But on the other side of the mall, there is a Lucid Motors coming in, guys. I literally saw that and I got so excited like a kid at Christmas. We'll put some of those pictures up here at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But here's what I do want to show you. Right here. So on lucidmotors.com, if you go to their studios and service centers, as you can see, they do have a lot coming up. They got Newark, California, Beverly Hills, San Jose, California. But we're going to scroll down here to the one that is right in my backyard, basically. And right here it is, guys. This is the one right here. Tyson's Corner, Virginia. That's about 90 minutes from where I live. We took a day trip down to the mall. And boom, there it is. Now, this picture, it doesn't look like that yet. As you'll see from my pictures, they have it all like wrapped around. It's not finished yet. As you can see here on their website, that the studio estimated is to be finished in Q3 of 21. But that picture there is to show what it will look like once it is completed. And that is exactly where it's at in the mall, because that railing's right there. That's the same flooring. And they already kind of presented what it's going to look like once it's finished. So I'm super excited about that, guys. And let's go ahead and put a few of those pictures up right now in this video, and you can see some of the stuff that I got to see in person. I will be going back down there once this bad boy is completed and up and running, seeing if I can get some footage inside the vehicles, maybe talk to a couple employees for the video possibly. That'd be so exciting. And just see this company grow, guys. Put this in the Patreon link so people got to see this before it hit YouTube. So like I said, that link is down below. $5 a month. You get all buy sell alerts, and you get to see this stuff before it hits YouTube. So let's go take a quick peek at some of those pictures, guys. Guys, hope you all enjoyed a couple of those pictures. Like I said, stay tuned for the end of the video. I have a couple more pictures to put up. I put half of them now. I'll put half of them towards the end of the video. I did want to share this article real quick on the Investor Place. It was just posted 2 days ago. Churchill Capital 4 will likely create shareholder value. Buy and hold investors should consider Cciv a long-term investment. And honestly, I agree with that 100%. Now, that's like I said, guys, if you buying this for the long term, letting this company go and do its thing, you're going to be okay. Now, this short term could be very volatile, and options can be a little risky, which I will show you here in this video as well. But I don't want to really go over too much of the video. It kind of talks about how the shares went from $10 the whole way up to $64.86 on February 18th, and now they are down around $24. And we know Peter Rawlinson is the CEO of Lucid Motors. He said that Their orders for its first vehicle, Lucid Air, have been overwhelming, which we do know. The first model is likely to be shipped in the summer of 2020, and First Stage Factory, Arizona, is ready to produce 34,000 vehicles a year. Management hopes in a couple of years the numbers could reach 400,000 a year. That would be truly amazing. So, what to expect from the merger? And it says here, the merger values Lucid Motors at $24 billion. It will also mean Lucid will have about $4.4 billion in cash, which is part can be used to expand manufacturing, Rollins said. And down here's the part I do want to just kind of go over real quick. The bottom line on CCIV stock. It is too soon to know how the share price of CCIV stock will move in the coming quarters. Lucid is still a startup automotive company with exciting prospects. A successful merger could start a very appealing investment, one that many will keep their eyes on, but large amounts of capital and time are required before significant revenue will be made. Given the interest in the street in EVs as well as background of the two companies, I believe the merger will create shareholder value in the long run. However, potential investors should carefully study the risk versus return profile investing in the company at this point. So I do agree with that. Like I said, there is a little bit of risk involved because they are competing with the big dog Tesla, and they are the big ones out there, and we are trying to compete with those. A lot of people refer to Lucid as the Neo of America. So that'd be pretty amazing just to even be right there. There's nothing wrong with being number two. But I can say I do like the design of the Lucid a lot better than Tesla. In that store down there, they had the Tesla Model Y, I believe it was. And I must say, it was just kind of plain. Now, I don't know if they had an older year model in there. I didn't get to talk to one of the employees, but I didn't get to sit in the vehicle. But I did get to peek my head in the vehicle because of COVID and everything. You had to kind of wait. But I did get to put my head in there and kind of look at the interior of the Tesla Model Y. And I can say I wasn't really impressed. It was one big screen. Now, I did like that. But the interior itself was very plain. It just didn't have any kind of, I don't know. Now, I'm not trying to be biased, but I would like to buy a Tesla share myself. We got a couple shares of Tesla stock, but I don't know. The one they had in the mall down there at the Tyson's Corner, I wasn't really impressed. My wife wasn't really impressed. So just wanted to put that out there. Now, I don't know what kind of car they're going to put in the Lucid store down there, but I'm hoping by then, maybe I ought to go back down there and be able to grab some pictures and videos, maybe in the Tesla store and in the Lucid store, and come back and do a video on that. So real quick, just want to update you guys on my holdings of CCIV Lucid Motors. So guys, you can see I did pick up a few more shares. I sold that one share of GameStop I had for like 110, 120% profit. It was up to like 130 bucks or something like that. So I sold it out. I only had 60 some dollars in it. So if we look here real quick, I now have 55 shares at an average cost of $20.80. Right now in the total return, I'm up 18.9%, up $217. I have no intention on selling these. Actually, I just want to keep acquiring. And unfortunately, guys, during the dip, as I tell you guys to buy the dip, I literally bought an options contract on the dip. But unfortunately, I bought it at the beginning of the dip. As I say, don't try to catch a falling knife. Well, when Lucid dropped down, CCIV dropped down to $29, I said, there's no way it's going to go any lower. So I bought that $30 options contract. And as you can see, guys, I'm getting hosed on that right now. I'm down 69%, down 298 bucks. But we have till March the 19th for this to get above 30 bucks. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen. It's kind of hard to tell what's really going to happen with the share price is going to do. But it's okay, man. We win some, we lose some. As you can see back here on the 1 year chart of the portfolio in general, the 1 year, guys, we are still up. I mean, we're still up 1,600 bucks. And that is with the market being down like crazy right now. As you can see, when this market will go back up and my stocks like Genius Brands go back up, APXT, Golden Nugget, I got BarkBox, those kind of stocks, when they start getting some recognition again, we'll be back up 9,000, 10,000 in a matter of no time, guys. The stocks are getting beat right now, but we're still up. Even this crazy market, we're still up 30% overall. And that's even with getting whacked on the options right now. But if my options can pick up, we'll be good to go. So, guys, just wanted to bring you an update on Lucid, how I'm excited that it's coming in my little local area and here in Maryland, Virginia area. So that is pretty exciting that they're going to be in that mall. I'll be bringing you updates more on this as we get more information. And I'm going to end this video, guys, with more pictures from that store that I did grab. So, guys, like I said, hit the thumbs up. Join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Webull link and Patreon link down below. Click those, join up, be a part of the family, guys. Enjoy the pictures at the end. Peace!